Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Latina Marie. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and join the family. So today I kind of just want to play in my makeup. I don't really even have a look set for today. I haven't posted anything in almost a week, so I just want to play in my makeup. I want to do a fall look, so that might end up being what turns out today, but I don't know. Today I'm going to be moisturizing with, it's an off-brand. It's called Personal Care Ageless Age Defining Cream. This stuff is really good too. It's not my favorite, but I like it. It works. Next, I'm going to be priming with Flawless Face Foundation Primer. Pore Found Detint. Oh, I think that was in a different language, and I was trying to read it. It's supposed to be a color correcting and perfecting. Oil free. I like this primer because it has that silicone feel to it. Very silicone feel. So I feel like it's like covering everything. Next, I'm going for foundation. I'm going to go in with what I've been doing every video. Just until I can get some new foundation. This is Fenty Beauty in the color 470 and Dream Velvet in the color 94 Coconut Classic Coconut. If you haven't seen any of my other videos, the reason that I combine these two is because I got the wrong color, as you can see, foundation in Fenty at Sephora because the lighting is so terrible in there. Which I did not know. It was the first time that I had ever bought foundation from Sephora. I usually go to Ulta or I get like drugstore foundations, which is what this Dream Velvet is. It's from Maybelline. And this is a lot more orange undertone, while this is, or neutral. This is more neutral, while this is like very red. And it does dry down darker, but I'm not that dark. I'm not as dark as it dries down to be. So I have to mix them in order to get kind of the perfect, which I like the way that it turns out. Today I want it to be kind of a natural look, so I'm not going to go heavy in with my foundation, but yeah, these are the two that I use to make sure that I get my complexion. I am a little red, but I'm not this red, so today I'm just going to be going in with this foundation brush, Ultimate Blending Brush from e.l.f. So that left kind of a sheer coverage, which is kind of what I was going for. Next, I'm going to be going in with my Maybelline New York concealer in the shade 55 Hazelnut. Next, I'm going in with a damp beauty blender and blending this all out. Next, I'm going in with my Shea Moisture foundation in the shade Cocoa for my contour, because at the moment I still do not have any contour products. So we're just going to go in with this. And I'm going to be going in with this True Blend Flat Top Kabuki from True Blend. I'm just going to spread that out a bit. Next, I'm going in with that same beauty blender and damp beauty blender, and I'm going to blend this all up. Lightly blend this out. Again, with that same damp beauty blender, I'm going to go in with my Fit Me Loose finishing powder, and I'm going to set my under eyes with it and the rest of my face with it as well. This is in the color Deep 35. Now that I look crazy, I'm going to do my eyebrows off camera, and I will be right back. I am back looking even crazier than I did before. My eyebrows are done and prepped my eyes for eyeshadow. And yeah, I still don't know what look I'm going with, so let's just get right into this. Today I'm going to be going in with my Be a Mermaid palette and lip palette. I know these are the only two palettes that I really use on this channel right now, but that will change soon. Don't come for me down in the comment section. Oh, she's so poor. She doesn't have any makeup. She only uses a little bit of makeup. Hey, I'm starting. It's okay. I'm getting good looks. That's all that matters. Going in with my Be a Mermaid palette, I'm going to go in with... There we go. That's like perfect. Ooh, I just dug my nail right in that. But I'm going to go in with this color right here. It's not as shimmery and as gold as it looks on camera. And just pop that in the eyebrow, in the brow bone. Next, with that same palette, I'm going to go in with this kind of a neutral-ish color right here. So it darkens it up and gives it a little more life, just a little more life. And I'm going to pop that right into the crease. And make sure to kind of blend that in with that first color that I went in with. Next, going in with the color right next to that, I'm going to go in with this one right here into the outer corners. Into the crease. Now I'm going in with this precision brush and my NYX Dark Circle Concealer Corrector, and I'm going to cut my crease. Half cut crease. I've never done a half cut crease, so I'm going to be trying this for the first time. Now I'm going to set that cut crease with this reddish color here in my Lit palette. And I'm just going to go in with a smudge brush from e.l.f. to do that. So next, with that same brush, I'm going to go in with this middle color right here, this golden color. There we go. And I'm just going to take that across the lid from the outside and blend that out. Now I'm going to put on some lashes, clean up this look, and I will be right back. So I have gone in with lashes and I put a little bit of that red color under my lower lash, and I put on mascara, and yeah. Next I'm going in with this Forever Nude palette by BH Cosmetics, and I'm going to just take this blush here, a very light layer of blush right over that contour, right there. And that brought the cheeks up just a little bit. I have the Strobing Liquid. It's a illuminating highlighter from Maybelline. I got it a few weeks ago and I have not used it. I don't even know what it looks like. We're gonna try this to highlight. I don't know what it looks like. I don't know how it's gonna turn out, but we're gonna try it. I'm going in with this, what's supposed to be a concealer brush, but it's gonna be a highlighter brush today. And just a real little bit. I think I'm gonna use my hand, my finger. And I'm just gonna go right here and highlight. Take this brush and just kind of I think I like it. It's okay. It's all right. I don't like it. I don't like it. So I don't like it. So I'm gonna go in with this palette from Focus. You can't see it at all. It's so bright. UNIGLOW Highlight Palette. I'm gonna go in with Fantasy. I'm just going to I think I like that a lot better. I like that a lot more for this look. Now I'm going in with this NYX Professional Makeup Matte Finish Setting Spray. I just went real crazy. Real crazy. So now onto lips. I think I'm just gonna go in with a nude lip because I don't want this look to be too crazy, but we're just gonna go in with this nude lip. So going in with this Velvet Matte Liquid from Maybelline. Velvet Matte Liquid from Maybelline. It's in the color Nude, the color 5 Nude Thrill. Now, I know people are going to talk about me, but I like to line my lips after I put on my lipstick. I don't know why, but it's something that I really like to do. So I'm going to line my lips now. And I'm going in with this Color Essentials from Maybelline Shaping Lip Liner in the color 120 Rich Chocolate. So this is the final look. I don't know where I was going with this, but I ended up really liking it. The highlight turned out pretty nice. It sucks that this was not something that I liked because it was pretty expensive, honestly, for a drugstore product. It was pretty expensive. Sorry if you can hear my dog rattling with stuff. She's being a little attention needy right now, but I like it. I didn't like it on me, probably just not for this look. I don't know what it was. We weren't vibing today. I'll try it again to see if I really like it, but today it was not working for me, so I ended up going with the UNIGLOW palette, which you guys can somewhat see. Kind of dirty. It's got makeup all over it. But yeah, let me know what you guys think down in the comment section of this look. I just kind of did it. I don't know where I was going with it, but it turned out pretty nice in my opinion. I like it. If you guys like this video, let me know with a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that button. I love you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.